Welcome to African American literature. Literature is created as people experience the events in history and try to cope with the social and political events occurring around them. Against their will, Africans were brought to the New World, forced to forget their identity, language, culture, and religion. Forced into slavery, they were not only given a new name and identity, but they were also forced to accept the language, culture, and religion of their oppressors. African American literature expresses the sense of loss, longing, and the need for Africans and African Americans to create their own identity, which would allow them to endure the circumstances in which they found themselves, and maintain hope for a better future. As they adapt, both the tone and content of the literature changes. In this course, you will be introduced to works that represent diverse African American literature since 1746. Texts may be selected from major authors such as Angelou, Douglas, Hughes, Hurston, King, and Truth. Upon successful completion of this course, you will understand the significant concepts, contexts, movements, figures, and works of African American literature since 1746. The general outcomes of this course are that you shall learn literary concepts and techniques and apply them to the study of movements and figures of African American literature, that is, poems, short stories, plays, or novels since 1746 to the present and the context from which they emerge. You shall be able to write structured papers that incorporate research and engage in an analysis of the literary movement, author, or texts within African American literature since 1746. The class assignments and policies are located in the course syllabus and schedule of activities. After you have reviewed that information in the course orientation, you will send an email to your instructor, through BC Online, with the following information. Number 1. Why is literature created? Number 2. What does African American literature express? And number 3. What knowledge do you hope to gain after taking this course? Type in the subject line, African American Literature Orientation Email. The purpose of this email is to make sure you know how to use the BC Online email system. Again, welcome to African American Literature, and your instructor looks forward to learning with you. Now please review all the information in the course orientation. This information will help you learn the expectations your instructor has, the structure of this course, how to maneuver through the online environment, and share with you important information to help you have success in this course.